Hello guys, welcome back to Delta Byte News. So while surfing the internet today, I came across this open letter from the Future of Life organization, and this letter is proposing for the post of giant AI experiment to be paused for at least 6 months for measures and regulation to be put into place. So I'm going, as you can see here, you can add your signature, and of this recording there are about 50,000 signatures submitted. So this is showing that people are in support of the post. For we have seen in the recent or few days, so many AIs have been uh, emerging, and they are a bit powerful. So I'm going to read letter for you, and also I'm going to post it on the description area for you to go and police and read for yourself. And some of the big names which have signed already are Elon Musk from Tesla. So the letter reads: post giant AI experiment, an open letter to post giant AI experiment. We call on all AI labs to immediately pause for at least 6 months the training of AI systems more powerful than GPT-4, that is. AI system with human competitive intelligence can pose profound risk to society and humanity, as shown by extensive research and acknowledged by top AI labs. As stated in the widely endorsed Asymera AI principle, advanced AI could represent a profound change in the history of life on Earth, and should be planned for and managed with commensurate care and resources. Unfortunately, this level of planning and management is not happening, even though recent months have seen AI labs locked in out of control race to develop and deploy ever more powerful digital minds that no one, not even their creators, can understand and predict or reliably control. Contemporary AI systems are now becoming human competitive at general tasks, and we must ask ourselves, should we let machine flood our information channels with propaganda and untruth? Should we automate away all the jobs, including the fulfilling ones? Should we develop non-human minds that might eventually outnumber, outsmart, obsolete, and replace us? Should we risk loss of control of our civilization? Such decision must not be delegated to unelected tech leaders. Powerful AI systems should be developed only once we are confident that their effects will be positive and their risk will be manageable. This confidence must be well justified and increase with the magnitude of a system potential effect. OpenAI's recent statement regarding artificial general intelligence states that at some point it may be important to get independent review before starting to train future systems. And for the most advanced effort to agree to limit the rate of growth of compute used to create new models, we agree that point is now. We continue. Therefore, we call on all AI labs to immediately pause for at least 6 months the training of AI systems more powerful than GPT-4. This pause should be public and verifiable and include all key actors. If such a pause cannot be enacted quickly, government should step in and institute a moratorium. In this case, I remember Italy banned or restricted use of ChatGPT because of misconduct of misuse during maybe exams and sort of things. AI labs and independent experts should use this post to jointly develop and implement a set of shared safety protocols for advanced AI design and develop that are rigorously audited and overseen by independent outside experts. These protocols should ensure that systems adhering to them are safe beyond a reasonable doubt. This does not mean a pause on AI development in general, merely a stepping back from the dangerous race to ever-large unpredictable black box models with emergent capabilities. AI research and development should be refocused on making today's powerful, state-of-the-art system more accurate, safe, interpretable, transparent, robust, aligned, trustworthy, and loyal. In parallel, AI developers must work with policymakers to dramatically accelerate development of robust AI governance systems. This should at minimum include new and capable regulatory authorities dedicated to AI oversight and tracking of highly capable AI systems and large pools of computational capabilities. Provenance and watermarking systems to help distinguish real from synthetic and to track model leaks, a robust auditing and certification ecosystems, liability for AI cost harm, robust public funding for technical AI safety research, and well-resourced institutions for coping with the dramatic economic and political disruption, especially to democracy, that AI will cause. Humanity can enjoy a flourishing future with AI, having succeeded in creating powerful AI systems. We can now enjoy an AI summer in which we reap the rewards, engineer this system for the clear benefit of all, and give society a chance to adapt. Society has hit pause on other technologies with potentially catastrophic effect on society. We can do so here. Let's enjoy a long AI summer, not rush and prepared into a fall. So down here we have prepared some FAQs in response to questions and discussion in the media and elsewhere. You can find them here. You can click on this link. I provide the link in the description area. So there is a form where you can sign to agree that you want AI development to pause for at least 6 months. So you can see signatories here. Due to high demand, it is slowed, and they have already collected more than over 50,000 signatures. You can see the names, big names here appearing: Elon Musk, Joshua Biggie, Stuart Russell, Steve Wozniak, Yuval Noah Harari, Ahmad Motors, Adrian Young, Valerio Pisano, Conor Rea, Kid Jerome, Joan Tallinn, Eva Sharp, Green Larson, Craig Peters, and the list continues of big names. So my question is, are you in support of this post, or are you in support the development to continue? Has the AI challenged you, or has the AI helped you to in your day-to-day doings? Let us know in the comment section below, and thank you for listening, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next video. Cheers guys, and good night.